Welcome to day one of the Africa Center Multicultural Summer Camp. We are thrilled to have you here and we hope you're excited to join our activities we have planned for you. To kick things off, we will be starting with high energy drumming and dancing. Get ready to move to the beat and learn some new moves. Next up, we will be playing a fun and interactive trivia game where you can test your knowledge about different countries and cultures around the world. After that, we will be exploring some traditional Indonesian playground games, followed by delicious Zimbabwean buffet lunch, where you can try some amazing dishes from this vibrant African country. In the afternoon, we will be playing some classic games like red light, green light, as well as introducing some fun world board games that you may not have played before. We will be ending the day with some good old-fashioned hide and seek. We hope you are excited for all the amazing activities we have planned for you. Don't forget to invite your friends to join us as well.